First things first is to spray your hair with heat protection to prevent your hair from getting damaged. And it smells amazing. It's like a mixture of cotton candy and flowers. I like to separate the hair in a zigzag form, then I'll clip the rest of the hair up out of my way. The further I go up, the tighter I'm making the curl. I can't find, don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. For this last section, I will be curling her hair backwards because I want some volume on the top of her head, but I will be leaving the bangs alone for now. Now for the front section, I will be curling them forward to create some bangs. Now I'm rubbing my fingers through her hair and separating each curl to give it a fuller look. And here's the final look.